tree pose, also known as Vrikshasana, is a beautiful and powerful yoga posture that has been practiced for thousands of years in various yoga traditions. We will discuss the benefits of the tree pose, provide step-by-step instructions on how to perform the pose, and offer tips for getting the most out of your practice. Let's begin with the benefits. The tree pose is a standing balance posture that requires a great deal of focus, strength, and stability. Practicing this pose regularly can help to improve balance and coordination, strengthen the muscles of the legs and core, and improve posture and alignment. It can also have a calming and grounding effect on the mind, reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. In addition to the physical benefits, the tree pose can also have a spiritual and emotional impact. This posture is often associated with the energy of the root chakra, which governs feelings of safety, stability, and grounding. Practicing the tree pose can help to connect with these qualities, bringing a sense of rootedness and stability to the body and mind. Now let's move on to how to perform the pose. Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin standing at the front of your mat with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Shift your weight onto your left foot and slowly begin to lift your right foot off the ground. Place the sole of your right foot against your left inner thigh with your toes pointing down. Press your right foot firmly into your left thigh and press your left thigh back against your foot to create a sense of resistance. Bring your hands together at your heart center and focus your gaze on a spot in front of you. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply and evenly. To release the pose, slowly lower your right foot back to the ground and come back to standing with your feet hip-width apart. It's important to remember that not everyone will be able to bring their foot all the way up to the thigh in tree pose, especially if you're new to the pose or have tight hips or knees. It's okay to bring your foot to your ankle or calf instead, or to use a wall or chair for support if needed. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your tree pose practice. Focus on your breath. As with any yoga posture, the breath is key. Try to breathe deeply and evenly as you hold the pose, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Engage your core. To maintain stability and balance in tree pose, it's important to engage your core muscles. Draw your navel towards your spine and lift your chest to help keep your spine long and tall. Use your drishti. Drishti is a Sanskrit term that refers to the gaze or point of focus. In tree pose, focus your gaze on a spot in front of you to help maintain your balance and concentration. Experiment with arm variations. In addition to bringing your hands to your heart center, you can also raise your arms overhead or bring them out to the sides to create different variations of the posture. In conclusion, the tree pose is a powerful and versatile yoga posture that offers a range of physical, emotional, and spiritual benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your balance, strengthen your muscles, or cultivate a sense of grounding and stability, this pose is a wonderful addition to any yoga practice. So next time you step onto your mat, give tree pose a try and see how it can help you connect with your body, mind, and spirit.